I'm tired of buying hair product without getting results. It's what you hear most time from people. Hello everyone, my name is Judith Egbe Eche. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a mindset revamp concerning our hair growth journey. A lot of people have a lot of misconception about hair growth. They just want to grow 6 inches in a month. They do not set realistic goals. They just want a magical product that will grow their hair overnight. I had similar experience when I started my natural hair journey. I just wanted to grow my hair. I didn't have prior knowledge on what and what not to do, what to do to get healthy hair growth. I had no healthy routine. I have no knowledge of hair. I did not even know the right product to use on my hair. All I needed was just a magical oil that would grow my hair overnight. So a lot of people had a mindset thinking that one magical oil will grow your hair 6 inches in a month. Then I want to bring you back to reality. The truth is, hair growth is not magical. Hair growth is a process. Your hair grows regularly. The reason why you're not noticing those growth is because you're so focused on growing unrealistic inches overnight. You're not setting realistic goals. Your hair grows. If you take time to focus on your hair, if you take time to study your hair very well, you'll discover that your hair is growing. The only problem is that it's breaking at the same rate at which it's growing. So you're not retaining length. Definitely you will not notice the growth. An average individual grow at least 0.5 inches of hair every month. The reason why those inches is not noticeable in your own hair growth is because you are losing those same hair the same way they are coming. You are experiencing breakage, maybe as a result of unhealthy hair practice, maybe as a result of using wrong product, maybe as a result of using oils instead of hydrating your hair. You know, those bad hair habits is the reason why you're not retaining length. A lot of people want to grow 6 inches in a month. They run after products. And at the end of the day, after spending so much and not getting results, they become frustrated. When they go to the next formulator, they are asking, will this product grow my hair? Because I bought this product and it did not do anything on my hair. I don't want to waste money. You are wasting money because you are not setting realistic goals. You need to set realistic goals for your hair. Growing a healthy and a lengthy hair is not something that happens overnight. It is a process. When I started my hair growth journey, I just wanted to grow a lengthy hair. I did not know much about hair care. I was just running after hair growth, not knowing that I was not taking good care of my hair, so I was experiencing breakage at the same rate at which the hair was growing. If you keep running after products for hair growth without considering the health of your hair, you end up losing your hair instead of retaining length, because most times those products might be too much, and because you don't have the right knowledge, you begin to experience excessive breakage. For instance, when I started my hair journey, I had Ayurvedic products that are good for hair growth, something that will stimulate my hair. I started using neem oil without knowing that I'm supposed to hydrate my hair before adding oil all the time. So I was just using neem oil, but I discovered that even while adding those things that were supposed to grow my hair, I ended up losing more strands of hair. I was always losing my hair. I was always experiencing breakage. Why? Because I didn't have the right knowledge. I was supposed to moisturize, hydrate my hair before adding the sealant. But instead, I was focused on the magical product that would grow my hair overnight. So I was just adding oil. Instead of retaining length, I was losing length. So these are some of the things that you need to put in place. You need to set realistic goals. Just give your hair time. Our gene, our habits, and everything will determine how fast your hair. If you keep running after products for hair growth, you're just like a child that does not want to learn the process, doesn't want to sit, doesn't want to crawl, just want to stand up and start running. That is how the best illustration for people that run after products without following due process. So if you want to grow a healthy and a lengthy hair, your focus should be on length retention. Focus on length retention. Focus on a healthy hair practice. You need to have a healthy hair routine. You can't grow a healthy hair without a routine. You need to have good diet. You need to have the right knowledge about hair care. You need to have effective products that are compatible with your hair. And you need patience, time, and consistency. This is just like an intro to the series on the basic knowledge of hair growth. If you've been investing in hair products without getting results, you'll be spending money running after products, you become a product junkie, and you're not getting your desired result. Follow this series. This series will help you to know what your hair needs, and you will know the right product that your hair needs, and you know how to better take care of your hair so that you get effective results. If you're interested in this series on hair growth, hair cuticle, hair porosity, and other things about hair, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that as the series proceeds, you'll be able to get the whole videos without losing out on anyone. Thanks for watching today's video. Do have a nice time. God bless you.